Look at this question. Here there is a process shown. I'll just read the statement. A given mass of gas expands from the state A to B. It expands from the state A to B by 3 paths, 1, 2 and 3. As shown in the figure. If W1, W2, W3 respectively be the work done, then which of the following options are correct? Which of the following options are correct? Okay, let me little bit brush up your stuff. This is the PV diagram for which process? Isothermal process. The isothermal process, why I am drawing like this? You are saying that PV is equal to constant, right? So that means xy is equal to some k mathematically. If y is your pressure, you are writing y is equal to k upon x. It's a type of a rectangular hyperbola only, no? But a rectangular hyperbola will have a here one curve and here one more curve. But here we are drawing only this. Why? Because you don't talk about negative volume, negative pressure and all those things. Huh? So only you write the upper part. Now if I ask you, this is my initial pressure and this is my final pressure. What is the area under the curve here? Right? So this is what is the area under the curve. Suppose the backward process, this is the front process. Suppose the backward process was this, then what is the area? The area will be this and this also. You have to basically draw the line and you have to calculate with respect to the volume axis what is the area, depending upon the shape, whether it is a trapezium, triangle or whatever it is. So looking at that, tell me which option is correct. This is path 1. See, A to B expansion is happening. In a particular process, this is another process, this is another process. Where the work, how the work is varying. Tell me your answer even if it is wrong and tell me how you have done it. It's a simple question. These questions have come in the past actually. In JEE only I am doing. These questions what I have seen, they have just simply picked up the old questions and put it over here. Because this we have solved before also. Any answers? Okay. If for the path 1, what is the area? Draw the perpendicular. This is the area. Path 2, this plus this. And path 3, the whole. So what is the answer? Option? Kaustubh, you have finished this chapter, you told me. What is your answer? Let us make it interactive, na? Otherwise what is the point? Already I have done my syllabus and again same thing. If you tell, I will do more questions. Option? Option B. So W1 is less than W2 is less than W3. No? Why? Some other option you have? While looking at this path, you forget these two. So this is the area. Your answer is right. So this is the more area. This is slightly less. This is even more less. You have to see with the volume axis. Okay? So option 2 is the right answer. Okay?